everybody, welcome to the third video of the Mastering Anatomy series. In today's video, we will be answering what is bone, and we're going to go a little bit more into the intricacies of bone so you have a better understanding. So what will be learning today? Well, we're going to describe the characteristics and structure of bone. So bone is a specialized connective tissue, also called osseous tissue, and bone is there to support your body, protect your organs, be a lever for movement, also house bone marrow, and then be a nutrient reservoir. Bone consists of specialized cells surrounded by a matrix, and it's composed by collagen for its flexibility, but also a mineral called hydroxyapatite for its rigidity. So let's identify the different types of bones found in the human body. So we have long bones, which are present in the arms and legs, and then the arm, which has the humerus, and in the legs, which has the femur. Those are both considered long bones. And then short bones are present in the wrists and ankles. We also have flat bones in the skull. We have irregular bones present in the vertebrae and hips, and then sesame bones present in the patella, which would be the kneecap, and then other accessory bones present in the body as well. And you can see the different types of bone in the human body right here in this diagram. Now let's go over the structure of bone. Bone is composed of compact bone, which can be seen here on the right, and it's a dense type of bone. And in long bones, it surrounds the medullary cavity. Now, the spongy bone, which is seen here on the right as well, is open, spongy structure, and in long bones is found mainly in the epiphysis. So let's go over the anatomy of long bones. So let's start first with the diaphysis, which is another way of saying the shaft. And the diaphysis is from this portion right here to this part of the bone. All of this is the diaphysis. The epiphysis is part of the end of the long bone. So it would be this portion right here. This would be the epiphysis. And then the distal epiphysis would be this portion over here. The metaphysis is the growth plate region, which is present right here. Mostly houses the spongy bone. And then the medullary cavity is just a hollow space, and you can find there the bone marrow. And then articular cartilage just covers the joint surface, which would be seen right here. Now, there's 3 layers of the bone that you need to know, and a good example on how to remember the 3 layers is shown here with this example of the candy bar. So the candy bar here shows 3 layers, which is including the plastic, the chocolate part, and then the caramel part of the candy bar. So in this case, let's first start with the outer layer, which would be the plastic. And this would be the periosteum. And the periosteum is a fibrous sheath that covers bones. It contains the blood vessels and nerves that provide nourishment and sensation to the bone. And then the cortical bone, you can remember that by being the hard outer layer of the candy bar, which would be the chocolate part. And then the spongy bone would be the squishy part or the caramel part of the candy bar. And then this is just a good example so you guys can remember the 3 layers of bone, which includes the periosteum, the cortical bone, and then the spongy bone. Now, the epiphyseal plate is where growth and length occurs, and this is when children are growing in age, they're growing in height. The cartilage is being replaced by bone, and it's mainly done by the epiphyseal plate. The epiphyseal plate here. So there you guys have it. This hopefully answers the question of what is bone. I hope you guys enjoy this video. And until next time, bye!